My name is Ashlee Knapik, and I'm a senior double majoring in accounting and business administration with a focus in management. We are at Schafer and Punke. This is my internship that I'm completing today, and while I've been here, I've been able to do a lot of accounting related stuff, such as I've gotten to do on-site audits, and I've also got to learn how to prepare tax returns. I've learned a lot obviously about that, but I've also just learned a lot about, how to work in a firm like this and how to be more professional too as well. I'm a member of Tri Sigma, and I've really enjoyed that. I've got a lot of opportunities with Tri Sigma, both volunteering and, getting involved on campus, so that's been a lot of fun. I studied abroad at the University of Hull in England, and while I was over there I got the opportunity to visit 11 different countries, so that was a lot of fun. My favorites were Iceland and Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands were probably my favorites. I'm from Decatur, and I decided to go to UIS because it was close enough to home, but it was also far away enough from home that I could have my own space and kind of get the college experience. My sister also got her master's at UIS, so I learned a lot about it from when she was going there. I'm graduating in May 2019 with a bachelor's degree in accounting and business, and I plan on working for the GPSI program at UIS. I'm going to go to UIS to get my master's of business administration and then hopefully get a gypsy position. So I'm very glad I came to UIS. I feel like I would not have had many opportunities if I had went to another school. I like the close-knit of UIS and the ability to connect with a bunch of different people, the ability to have a professor talk to them on a one-on-one basis and not have a huge lecture hall where they don't even know your name. So I like UIS so much that I'm coming back in the fall.